Goodwill with Dee Dee. She's inside. I'm gonna walk in there, see what the color of the day is. Okay, so me and Dee Dee's got to the Goodwill, and we're gonna thrift. You ready? Let's get ready. We're at the Goodwill still. In the clothes section. Seeing what I can find. I guess you could say I'm breaking the rules. I had to bring my shopping carts into the fitting room with me. Hopefully Goodwill doesn't get mad at me. So we're getting ready to check out. I'm getting ready. Let's get my toy. And we out. Show your bags. Out and about. If we can get out. Sure. All right. So it was $9.
No, whole $9.
So it was $9.
$9.
See you later, Goodwill.
Bye.
Peace in the Middle East. Hey everybody, it's the Thrift Plug. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today me and Dee Dee went to the Goodwill. We went to Lexington Goodwill, South Carolina, Columbia, South Carolina. And I got a few things. Let's get into this haul. This thrift haul. That we call it. I got this Route 21 off the shoulders hot tamale shirts, sweater. Nice for fall season. I got this Express knitted sweater. It's a men's knitted sweater. I got this men's vintage crossing shirt. I got it for the print. Just thought it was cool, vintage like. I got this purple pink shirt. 50 cents. All the orange tags are 50 cents today. So I spent some change. This is a Catalina little vintage shirt. I just went for the prints. That's that. I got this LA Hearts little vest. I might keep this for myself with a little turtleneck, honey, and some boots. I don't know how to pronounce this. But this is this. This will be in my closet. Check out my Poshmark closet. That will be listed. Let's just get this bag out of the way. I got these Clash jeans. They're size 5. My boyfriend said they're ugly, but I think they're super cute. I got this FC UK jeans skirt. Ooh. Ooh, and it busts open in the front. Yes, ma'am. That'll be in my closet as well. And this Calvin Klein's denim skirt. Ooh, that thing go. I didn't know it did that. Ooh wee, size 2. It might be in the closet. This might make it. I got this mason jar wine glass looking thing. It was $1.99. It's a redneck wine glass. It says, hey y'all, you don't have to be a redneck to enjoy this one of a kind glass, but you do have to have a sense of humor. Each redneck wine glass is equipped with its very own travel lid. Just fill with your favorite beverage and enjoy the good life. Care instructions. And I got some Uno cards, $1.99. This is my receipt, y'all. Every clothing item costs, not telling y'all, I saved $45.50. Show that to the camera. Get that on camera. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.